In this video, I'm going to show you how to use director mode in Snapchat. The first step is opening Snapchat and going to your camera. Then when we click on the little arrow on the right side of our screen, we can see director mode. And when we click on it, we can now use the director mode. Now what can we do in director mode? There are a few different tools. We have the dual camera. This lets you use both the front and the back camera at the same time, so you can capture yourself while showing what's in front of you. We also have the green screen. Here you can change your background, and the slow motion and speed. Here you can control the speed of your video, allowing you to create dramatic slow motion shots or speed things up for fun. Now let's talk about the more advanced camera controls. In director mode you have access to professional features like focus and exposure. Here's how to use them. Tap on the screen to manually adjust your focus. This is a great way if you want to blur the background and keep the subject sharp. Exposure control. Slide up or down on the screen to adjust your brightness and exposure of your video, giving it a more polished professional look. Now once you're ready to start record, just hit the capture button like cool. You can use all of these features while recording to create dynamic high quality content. And don't forget, after recording you can still add Snapchat's classic filters, stickers and captions to make your video pop. Now once you're done editing, you can either share the snap with your friends, post it to your story or save it to your camera roll for later. Director mode helps you create more versatile content, so make sure to play around with all the features and see what works best for your style. And that's it, you're now ready to use director mode in Snapchat like a pro. It's super simple, and with all these tools you can really make your snaps to the next level. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Snapchat tips, and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.